Hey everyone! Welcome back to Daily English Dose with Alia. Today, I want you to relax, breathe, and just listen to me for a moment. Because if you're someone who is learning English every day, if you feel like, I know English, but something still sounds wrong, if you speak, but sometimes people correct you, then today's video is made exactly for you. And trust me, you are not alone. We all make small mistakes, even advanced students, even fluent speakers. And correcting these mistakes is what makes your English sound natural, confident, and professional. And here's the best part. You don't need new grammar. You don't need big vocabulary. You don't need to study for years. Sometimes, just fixing one sentence you use every day can completely change how people hear you. And today, I'm going to show you the 20 most common sentences almost every learner gets wrong. And more importantly, I'll teach you the correct, natural, and native speaker version. You'll listen, you'll repeat with me, and by the end, your English will sound 10 times cleaner than before. I know many of you watch my videos early in the morning, some of you while cooking, some of you on your way to work, some of you while studying late at night. And the fact that you press play on my videos every day, I want you to know that truly means the world to me. You're not just learning English, you're building discipline, you're building confidence, you're improving yourself, one sentence at a time. And if you're new here, or if you've been watching but never subscribed, come on, don't be shy. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my daily English practice sessions. Your one click helps this channel grow and motivates me to make even better videos for you every single day. All right, get ready, because I'm about to start with sentence number 1, and I promise you, after today's video, you will never make these mistakes again. Let's begin. All right, let's begin. I want you to slow down and listen to the rhythm of each sentence. Don't just correct your English. Feel the difference. These small changes make you sound clearer, smoother, and more confident. Sentence 1. I didn't went there. I didn't go there. You hear the difference, right? English becomes much cleaner when we keep verbs simple after didn't. Keep it easy, keep it natural. Repeat. I didn't go there. I didn't go there. Sentence 2. He do not know. Wrong. And the correct one is, he doesn't know. This one is all about flow. Native speakers never say he do. Switching to he doesn't instantly makes your English sound more polished. Repeat. He doesn't know. He doesn't know. Sentence 3. I am agree. I agree. A lot of learners add am here because it sounds logical, but English doesn't work that way. Think of agree as a complete idea by itself. Short, simple, powerful. Repeat. I agree. I agree. Sentence 4. I didn't understood. I didn't understand. Here's a small tip. When you already have a past word like did, Your verb goes back to its clean, basic form. This keeps your sentence smooth and correct. Repeat. I didn't understand. I didn't understand. Sentence 5. She is married with a doctor. She is married to a doctor. This is one of those expressions you must memorize as a chunk. Married to. Say it together like one piece. The more natural phrases you store in your brain, the easier speaking becomes. Repeat. She is married to a doctor. She is married to a doctor. Sentence 6. I look forward to see you. I look forward to seeing you. This is one of those phrases that always uses ing. Once you learn it, you'll never forget it. Repeat. I look forward to seeing you. I look forward to seeing you. Sentence 7. You have to listen to me. You have to listen to me. Just a tiny to can completely fix the sentence. Tiny words matter. Repeat. Listen to me. Listen to me. Sentence 8. She is good in English. She is good at English. No explanation needed here. Just remember the pair. Good at. Keep it simple. Repeat. She is good at English. She is good at English. Sentence 9. I am looking forward for it. I am looking forward to it. Try to remember this as one sound. Looking forward to. Say it smoothly. Repeat. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it. Sentence 10. Discuss about this. Discuss this. Quick correction. No about needed. Fast fix, big improvement. Repeat. Let's discuss this. Let's discuss this. Sentence 11. I want to go for home. I want to go home. This one is easy. Just remove for. Sometimes improving English means removing, not adding. Repeat. I want to go home. I want to go home. Sentence 12. My all friends are coming. All my friends are coming. A small shift, but it sounds way more natural. English loves this order. All my friends. Repeat. All my friends are coming. All my friends are coming. Sentence 13. I am having a car. I have a car. We use have, not am having, for possessions. Very quick fix. Repeat. I have a car. I have a car. Sentence 14. He told to me. He told me. This one is simple. Just drop the to. English doesn't need it here. Repeat. He told me. He told me. Sentence 15. She didn't eat anything. She didn't eat anything. Never use the past form after didn't. You'll see this rule again and again. It keeps your English clean. Repeat. She didn't eat anything. She didn't eat anything. Sentence 16. Open the light. Turn on the light. A very common mistake. In English, we turn on lights. We don't open them. Repeat. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Sentence 17. I am feeling hungry. I'm hungry. This isn't wrong in meaning, but native speakers prefer the simple version. Short and clean always sounds more confident. Repeat. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Sentence 18. I didn't slept well. I didn't sleep well. You know the pattern by now. After didn't, always base form. Let it flow naturally. Repeat. I didn't sleep well. I didn't sleep well. Sentence 19. I am not understanding. I don't understand. This one is important. When you talk about something in the moment, use I don't understand, not I am not understanding. Repeat. I don't understand. I don't understand. Sentence 20. He is my cousin brother. He is my cousin. In English, cousin already includes the meaning. No need to say brother or sister. Repeat. He is my cousin. He is my cousin. All right, we've completed all 20 sentences. Take a moment. Just notice how much clearer your English already feels. Small corrections, big confidence. And I'm proud of you for staying with me till the end. Really, well done. You know, most people watch English videos for a few minutes and quit. But the fact that you stayed, you repeated with me, you practiced each sentence, this shows your discipline, your commitment, your energy. And I promise you, this is exactly how fluency grows. One correction at a time, one practice session at a time. I'm giving you very easy homework today. Something you can do right now. Homework. Pick any 2 corrected sentences from today's lesson and say them out loud in your natural speaking voice. That's it. Just 2 sentences. It will take 20 seconds, but you will train your mouth to say the correct version automatically. If you want to make it a bit more powerful, say those 2 sentences again tonight before sleeping. Your brain will remember them effortlessly. Go to the comments and type, I completed today's practice, or write your favorite corrected sentence from today. This helps you revise, and it also motivates other learners to practice with you. I really do read your comments, and your participation tells me what lessons to make next. Before we end, I want you to remember something. You're not learning English alone. Every time you press play, we are practicing together, and you are becoming a stronger, more confident version of yourself. Thank you for spending your time with me today. Thank you for your trust. And thank you for choosing to improve yourself, even when life gets busy. I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care of yourself, stay consistent, and keep speaking English every single day. Goodbye, and lots of love to you.